Today I'm going to teach you how to edit a gig in Fiverr. Whether you need to update your pricing, refine your description, or adjust your delivery time, knowing how to edit your gig properly ensures your services stay competitive and accurately reflect what you offer. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your seller profile and active gigs. Now, look at the top menu bar on your screen. You'll see several options there. Click on My Business, which will reveal a drop-down menu with various management tools. From this drop-down, select Gigs. This takes you to a page displaying all the gigs you currently have listed on your Fiverr profile, making it easy to see everything you're offering at a glance. Here's where you'll make your changes. Locate the specific gig you want to edit from the list. Right beside each gig title, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal several options for managing that particular gig. From the options presented, select Edit. This action opens up the full editing interface for that gig, giving you access to all the fields and settings you originally configured when creating it. You'll now see all the editable sections of your gig laid out before you. This includes your title, category, description, pricing packages, delivery time, and any extras you offer. Type your updates directly into the fields you want to change. Take your time here to ensure your modifications accurately represent the improvements or adjustments you're making to your service. Whether you're updating your gig description to be more compelling, adjusting your packages to match current market rates, or refining your requirements from buyers, this is where those changes happen. Once you've finished making all your desired updates, click the Save button to keep the changes. Your gig will now reflect these modifications, and potential buyers will see the updated information when browsing your services. And that's it. You've successfully edited your gig in Fiverr, ensuring your offerings remain current and attractive to potential clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.